High gear shifting is essential, balancing speed, velocity, and torque. Power. Introduce the clutch as the key link. Engine, clutch, input shaft, counter shaft, output shaft, wheels. Importance of clutching for shifting to disconnect the engine's power. First gear, high torque, low speed. Emphasize the large reduction in speed from the engine, maximizing power for starting from a stop. Second and third gear, the intermediate gears, explain how the gear ratio gradually decreases, resulting in higher vehicle speed and lower torque compared to first. Fourth gear, often close to a 1:1 ratio or a direct link in some 4-speed boxes. Explain this is the most efficient gear for maintaining speed as engine RPM closely matches output speed.
With fifth gear in
Lowest RPM, highest speed. Explain how the ratio is less than 1:1, allowing the engine to turn slower than the output shaft for fuel efficiency and comfortable cruising. Whether manual or automatic, the transmission is a complex system that works in perfect harmony with your engine. It's the silent hero that ensures you have the right amount of power at the right time. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into automotive engineering.